We are Henge!
There you go.
And it is lovely to be in the Goldilocks zone with you today. Yes, my name is Spore. Some of you may know, some of you may not know. Yes, and I am billions of years old. And I see a few chuckles and some skepticism on the rationally minded faces of Blue Dot. But no, don't be fooled by this youngish looking body. This is just a clone. I have many of these, and your one runs out, I just replace it with another one. My essence, my being, everything is contained within this orb you see here. And it's connected to the clone body with my onboard computer. This is how we do things in the future. Oh, hello, computer. My computer's here, and yes, what was that? Oh, very happy to be here. Yes! That's good news. I'll tell you what, my computer's saying, like it wants to do its own little piece of music for you. Would you like such a thing as that?